Hey everyone, welcome back to another problem-solving tutorial on the Problem Solving channel. Today, we'll be solving a simple and quick problem from Code Forces, Problem 282 A, bit++. This problem is great for beginners to get familiar with basic loops and string operations. Let's get into it. So, what's this problem about? You are given a variable x, which is initially set to 0. Then you'll be given n statements. Each statement is either plus plus x, x plus plus, minus minus x, or x minus minus. These operations either increase or decrease the value of x by 1. Your task is to determine the final value of x after processing all n statements. Let's break down the approach to solve this problem. 1. First, we initialize x to 0, as the problem states. 2. We then take the number of statements n as input. 3. For each of the n statements, we check if the statement contains the plus symbol or the minus symbol. If it contains plus, we increase the value of x by 1. If it contains minus, we decrease the value of x by 1. After processing all the statements, we simply print the final value of x. Now, let's walk through the code step by step. First, we take the number of operations n as input. We initialize x to 0. Then, we use a for loop that runs n times to process each operation. Inside the loop, we take the operation as input, either plus plus x plus plus, x, or x. If the operation contains a plus sign, we increase the value of x by 1 using x equals x plus 1. Otherwise, if it contains a dash, we decrease x by 1 using x equals x minus 1. Once all operations are processed, we print the final value of x. This works because we're looking for either the plus or minus in each operation. We don't need to worry about whether the plus plus or x is before or after x, since both have the same effect of increasing or decreasing the value by 1. For example, if the input is plus x, increase x by 1. Similarly, if the input is x plus plus, increase x by 1. Conversely, x and x both mean decrease x by 1. We can easily compute the final value of x by processing each of these operations and updating x accordingly. And there you have it. We've solved problem 282A, bit++, by simply looping through the statements and checking for plus and minus. This is a great introduction to working with loops and conditions. The code for this solution is available in the comments below this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell for updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.